Have you ever had an experience where you found it difficult to concentrate when you don't exercise regularly? Sometimes you may be focused on doing assignments, but you can't resist opening your phone or drink water for a while. According to my survey questionnaire, nearly 15% of students don't exercise regularly. Only 17% of respondents say they exercise once every 1 to 3 days. And for the concentration problem, it's about 40% of people find it difficult to concentrate almost every day. It's a serious question. Some people say that moderate exercise could improve the concentration. So, what is the moderate exercise? According to Hong Kong Department of Health, it's covered swimming for 20 minutes, play volleyball for 14 minutes, or play basketball for 20 minutes, or bowling, archery, and other sports which are not very intense and sounds very interesting, which is why some respondents said the moderate exercise is a personal hobby, and of course, it can also help people to keep fit, which is also a common knowledge. According to the research, the exercise increases dopamine secretion and improves concentration and regulation ability. The research shown the fit individuals score 4 to 7 higher on average on cognitive and attention tests, have higher academic achievement, and benefit more from physical activity interventions. But let's think about it. Can moderate exercise really improve our concentration? More than 80% of my respondents answered yes. And the next step is the offline experiment. This is Yifei, one of volunteers for my project. So, may I ask you some questions?
Yes.
Do you think moderate exercise could improve your concentration?
Maybe, I guess.
Can I ask why?
Because I feel like that exercise can make my body secrete some hormones, which improve my concentration.
By playing this memory game to evaluate his concentration, I will ask him to do appropriate exercise for next week and then undergo a second evaluation. And this is the result of this week. So, what kinds of exercise did you do last week?
Last week, I jogged on the treadmill for 20 minutes almost every day.
Oh, sounds good. So, let's begin the game again.
Okay.
I feel like his problem-solving speed is faster than last week. And the result shows that 16 seconds faster than last week. So, it seems that your performance is better than last week.
Probably, but actually, I think I can do it better.
Could you say more details?
Because last week, I was busy with other things like internship, so many times I feel a little tired. So it hasn't been fully affected in the game performance.
So, you think if you don't have this issue, so you may have better performance on this game?
Yeah, I think.
Okay, thank you. This is one problem of this experiment. We cannot guarantee the volunteers' concentration wasn't affected by other factors during these 2 weeks. From the data for all 4 volunteers, 3 of them showed a decrease in game completion time after a week of moderate exercise. On average, it decreased by 9 seconds. For the average value, it seems that the concentration after exercise is better than before exercise, but it's reasonable on statistics. For descriptive statistics, this may be reasonable, but for inferential statistics, additional steps are needed. We cannot directly use full samples to represent the overall situation. We need to use samples to infer the population. The t-test could be used. We need to calculate the standard deviation of the above average values and calculate the t-value. Find the critical value from t-table at significance level of 5% that is usually set, and based on the degree of freedom, which is equals to n-1. As you can see, the t-value larger than the critical value. The difference in game completion time before and after exercise is not statistically significant. That means the difference is due to randomness, not a variable we change, which is the 1 week exercise. What is the limitation about this experiment? The efficient sample. At least 10 to 30 samples for t-tests needed. The volunteers may affect, but not other factors. Posterior knowledge effect. The volunteer who accustomed this game may play faster. Overall, we need a better experimental environment, which may result in different experimental results. Overall, due to the limitations of experimental environment, I was unable to reach the same conclusions reported in some research papers. However, we probably conclude that the exercise is beneficial for concentration. So why don't we try exercising?